how to log out or sign out of Cash App account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to log out or sign out of your Cash App account. First, open the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. You will land on the homepage of the app, which includes several options you can use to navigate through different areas of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as shown here. On this page, there are multiple settings and account-related options available. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page, just like you can see here. Once you are there, look for the option named Sign Out. Here is the option. Make sure you tap on it. Please note that signing out will require you to log back in using your email and password or phone number. Therefore, avoid logging out if you cannot remember your credentials unless you are confident you can recover your password. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to log out or sign out of a Cash App account.